Welcome to Off-Duty Engineer. I am Alan. This channel is for some of my scale modeling projects, plastic aircraft, wooden ships, and dioramas to display them. The NAM, or Northern Area Modelers Club, recently hosted a modeling competition in Melbourne on Sunday the 21st of November 2025. I entered a few of my completed models into the Compo. The NAM Compo was very well supported in a large hall at the Epping Memorial Community Hall. The organisers and team did a commendable task of arranging and coordinating the event, thanks to Nick Hogg, Wendy and George, and many others. There were a record number of competitor entrants and entries. This is a positive indication of the popularity of the hobby. Other posts have coverage all the 350-ish entries in more detail. The swap meet section of the event also went well supported, with much on offer. There was a draw every half an hour for a prize. Winner could select off the table. These are the models that I entered and the prizes that they earned. The standard of modelling was really high, so I was privileged and honoured to win a few prizes. 2 first prizes and 2 second prizes. Here are all my entries loaded into the back of the sport wagon. A delicate operation, and it was raining that day at the Compo. This is the Spitfire 1:24 scale in diorama. This won first prize in the category of dioramas. This is the Airfix Spitfire Mark 9C in 1:24 scale. It was a great new kit from Airfix. I added the Hangar diorama to scale to present the Spitfire in realistic action. You can see the YouTube video of this build in 2 parts. This is the Zwarte Zee Tug. This won first prize in the category of ships and watercraft. It is the Zwarte Zee Tugboat in 1/90th scale. The kit is from Billing Boats, plastic hull, then mostly wood and brass fittings. This was about 70% out of the box and 30% customization. Took 11 months to build. I added the dock diorama to present the tug with a theme. No radio control, but I added a host of LED lights, motor, horn, electronics for controls, all custom. You can see the YouTube of this video build. This is the Cheetah and Mirage fighters. This won second prize in the category of dioramas. This was second to my Spitfire's first prize. This is 2 aircraft, the Mirage 3C and the Cheetah D fighter aircraft, both finished off as operational in the South African Air Force in the 70s and 80s, when I served in the SAAF. The kits are both Kinetic model kits, 1/48 scale. I then combined into a diorama of them landing side by side with their drag chutes open. The aircraft were out of the box, custom painting and decals. The diorama included the drag chutes, was completely bespoke design as you go. You can see the YouTube of this build in 2 parts. This is the Shackleton aircraft. This won second prize in the category of small aircraft up to 1/72 scale. The average Shackleton aircraft, Revell in 1/72 scale. It was an out-of-the-box build. The MR3 is the later development with a triangle front wheel landing gear. I was in the South African Air Force around the mid-70s and there were a few Shackletons in service then. They were very majestic in low, lazy takeoff flying and low angle of approach landing. The sound of those 4 engines and 4 sets of contra-rotating propellers was memorable. You can see the YouTube video of this build. Here is a quick preview of the model that I am currently working on. I received via my cousin-in-law's estate an unbuilt P-40 Warhawk. This is a 1/7 scale with 5-foot wingspan or 60 inches or 1.5 meter wide. Here are the preview photos of the basic construction complete in wood ready for painting. It is all wood from top flight. The model was manufactured in about 1975. So the balsa wood is 50 years old, very brittle, so I had to be careful. It will not be built for radio control flight because it is too brittle, but it will be full RC to make the control surfaces work, LED navigation lights and electric motor to turn the propeller. Look out for this on my YouTube channel, Off-Duty Engineer, at OffDutyEngineer 57. Thank you and see you next time. I hope that you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe on YouTube. You can also follow on X or Facebook. There will be more videos of my future builds. Thank you.